Keith, it's Randy here from Randy Cycle Service. The big day you've waited for. Your Triumph's going to go home to you. You should have it in a day or two. This is a 73 Daytona for everybody that's watching, 500 Triumph. And we got it all fully restored. One thing I want to run through you with is the starting procedure on it. But before I start it, I just want to mention a couple of things. One is that I have turned the gas off since the last time I rode it and ran the carburetors dry, which is very much a must on this bike, any British bike really, or any old classic when we're running ethanol fuel. So what I did is turn both taps off, let it run the last time until it was completely empty. So we're starting out from cold today, and cold is kind of relative in the fact that the bike has not been run today at all. And it's about 70-75 degrees out right now, not too humid and everything. I found with this bike it doesn't generally require much choke, so the choke is currently off, which means it is perpendicular to the bar. On would be parallel to the bar. So the choke is off. We're going to leave it off. We haven't needed it so far. We're going to go down, we're going to turn on the gas first, and we're going to give it just a second to fill up the carburetor bowls. And that'll take just a second or two here. And once they're full, then we're going to just use the two ticklers. We have one on the left and one on the right. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold that down for a second. You'll see some gas come out. I give it about a 2 to 3 count on each one. As soon as I see gas come out, and there we go. We'll give it just a little bit more. Alright, key on. And we will have to hold the idle up just a little bit once it starts because there's no provision for fast idle. I'm going to give it a kick and go.